So yeah, guys, I literally went out on the road for 6 months. Came back local, tried to get a job, but they wanted more experience. So they wanted up to 9 months of experience. Most of the jobs that were hiring. So I had to go back on the road, guys. But it was local though. But it was like a local job, but it was back on the road, OTR, all over the United States. So I was back on the road, did about 4 months on the road again, but now I was getting paid a little bit better. I was getting paid 65 cents a mile now, just because I already had a little bit of experience over the road. And I started off getting paid 50 cents. Yeah, 50 cents a mile. Or 52 cents a mile, somewhere around there. When I first started off with PTL, Pascal Truck Lines, and I give it up to them, man. I shout out. Appreciate the opportunity, and I'm here now, man, and we're out here getting it. So basically here, I just gotta press this button right here. The job itself. Drop it right there. Basically that's it, guys. You just press these buttons on here. Control it right here and everything. Pretty much it. Filling them up. They're out there. Done. Road ready. De abajo. Más sequito. Ya está. So yeah, you just turn the water down or up, make it, wetter or drier, however they like it. So yeah, guys, I was out there, came back, went back on OTR, was getting paid 65 cents a mile. I was making about 1,300, 2,500 every 7 days or 5 days, depending on how I ran my miles. And it was pretty good, and I enjoyed it, man. I traveled to Colorado, everywhere, man. Chicago, down south, Laredo, all the borders down there. And I traveled pretty much everywhere in the United States. So came back after those 4 months over the road again. Then I started looking for a local job again. So I quit that job over the road. I had a family, got a wife and kids, so they didn't want me to be out there so long on the road and stuff like that. So I had to come back local, so they're paying me a little bit. A little bit less than being over the road, getting paid 65 cents a mile. Now here, I'm making about $25 an hour, but we got overtime, and so I make about pretty much. I work 6 days a week here, so get paid $25 an hour plus overtime. I take home roughly about from 1,200 to 1,800 every 6 days, depending on the hours. But I have made like a couple of checks, $2,000 checks, or 2,100 or something, a couple of times. And that's you know, just putting in about $12 hours a day or something like that. So I mean, you can make up from 1,200 up to 2,000, depending on the hours you want to put in. So, you know, but I mean, it's pretty much the same, man, out here. You know, you get to be with your family every day, every night. You know, you sleep at home. So, yeah. All right, guys, I'll be posting more videos out here, man. So, you know, shout out to everybody out there working OTR and local, you know, cement trucks.